Well, hello everybody and welcome to another early morning Happy Travellers vlog.
Yeah.
It's about 7:30 on Tuesday morning and we are already at A&E Leisure.
Hang on a minute, she's scratching at my arms.
Yeah, Pippin's asking to be picked up again,
yes,
as she does always when we're making a video or chatting to other people. She always wants to come up and be included. There she is.
She's got a coat on because
it's a bit cold today.
We're going to have to leave the van here, aren't we?
So why are we at A&E Leisure? Well, we are at A&E Leisure because the habitation door is broken, in as much as that the window is coming out. It's come unsealed from the door, and the fridge element for the 240 volt operation has broken. Both warranty repairs, but you know, it's a real pain when things go wrong, even if they're under warranty, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's quite a. We're just sort of getting ready to go to Spain, and we've we would have been down now with seeing our children and grandchildren, so it's like when we leave here today it's 250 miles because we was down south.
Well, almost
so
260 miles.
Yeah.
So we've got
500 mile.
We've got a six or 7 hour journey after this 4 hours of work is done. So they're replacing the whole habitation door. Here it is. Just let's remind you of what the problem is with the habitation door. So here we are. Nothing really wrong with the door as itself, so that's all good, but this bit up here, all the way up and right up there, I can't reach it up to the top bit, but right up there is where it's all come unsealed. And last time we were at A&E Leisure, we mentioned, well, we were driving by and we noticed it had come undone and came in and asked them if they could sort of activate the warranty repair, and they were going to try and fix it, like take it out and reseal it, but they couldn't do that because they might have broken it as they were getting the rest of it out. And I know some people would go ahead and do that, but they didn't have a spare one, so we decided not to do that, but totally free of charge. That's how good they are. They resealed it with some sort of silicone sealant around the top end, and on looking further, they've actually sealed the whole thing all round just in case. So it's actually fine and totally secure, and will probably last as long as the van now. But you know, it's repairable and it's under warranty, so we asked Auto Trail to get that fixed for us. I thought they'd send us a new window and then we could take that one out and put a new one in, but no. What they're doing is there's quite a few of these I've seen around. There's about 6 that I know of that I've seen that are leaking and coming out, and there must be loads more. And they've chosen to replace the whole door. Now they're probably taking the doors back and sending them back to the manufacturer for a sort of replacement credit, so not really costing Auto Trail any real money, apart from the couple of hours, or actually they allow 1 hour of labour time to fix the door. So take it off, put it all back in, connect all the sensors up and all that. So you know, it's I suppose it's not a big job. Just waiting for the tractor that's moving caravans around to go by. So I suppose it's not a big job, but you know, it's not something that that you'd want to try by yourself. It's a pretty heavy door. Anyway, so that's why we're here. We're going to have a wander off as soon as they've sort of open the doors, and the sort of check-in staff, Nicola, has arrived. They open at 8, so we're here sort of half an hour early because I know they get here pretty early. We'll get Nikita Chloe checked in and get the work underway, and we'll go off. Probably we'll have a walk up to the Anderton boat lift, so we'll show you that when we get there. So we've just found out that the Anderton boat lift cafe won't be open. It's too early. It's just about 8 o'clock. So what we're going to do is, last time we were here for the MOT, we found a little auction house, didn't we?
Yep.
With a cafe attached. So we're gonna walk down to the auction house and have a cup of tea, aren't we?
Yep, definitely. Yeah. A bit cold and wet otherwise.
Yeah.
Now.
Well, we've been out to the little auction place. We've had our little breakfast thing and a cup of tea. Quite incredible. They did never-ending cups of tea and coffee.
Oh, that made her jump. There was a lorry going over the bridge. All right, princess.
We're near the bridge on the canal that runs, and you can see the canal in the background there. So we're now just walking our way, aren't we, back to A&E Leisure to pick up Nikita Chloe after the door and the fridge have been repaired.
We've got 250 miles to drive
256
today.
miles.
56. And that involves the M6 and the road from hell, M25. Oh God, yes.
So,
never mind.
Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, why not give us a thumbs up? And if you want to follow our journey as we travel around the UK and Europe, living full time in our motorhome, why not subscribe? And if you want to get a reminder so you don't miss any of our uploads, click the bell icon next to subscribe, and we'll send you that reminder. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget, comment in the comment section below and tell us what you think.
Yes, thank you.
Bye bye for now. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.